Hi, I'm Mark from CEM Engineering and Energy Radio. And this is your Energy News Update. In this week's headlines, Hong Kong looks to sea for clean energy in land-starved city. First Nations proposing new energy corridor in Western Canada. How Tesla can get to a $1 trillion valuation. Will renewable energy transform healthcare? We're going to head over to my colleague Lisa Barber for today's top stories.
Thank you, Mark, and welcome to this week's edition of Energy News. The US and China's next economics battle could be over climate change, according to experts. The two countries have long been loggerheads over trade, technology, and capital markets, but both countries are turning their attention to climate change as the next path to commercial supremacy. Experts are suggesting that a climate war between Washington and Beijing could follow a tech war and trade war as climate change becomes the dominant economic and political theme of the coming decades. China is still one of the planet's biggest polluters, producing around 30% of the world's CO2 emissions, which is currently twice that of the United States. Goldman analysts led by Equity Business Unit leader Michel de la Vigna plotted the country's potential path to net zero by sector and technology, laying out the $16 trillion of clean infrastructure investments China will need to embark on by 2060 if China wishes to become a dominant player in the climate and energy space. In other news, Enbridge is fighting Whitmer's move last November to revoke an easement that permitted the Line 5 pipeline that supplies light oil and fuel to refineries and consumers in the US Midwest and Canada across Lake Michigan. Enbridge wants to show the Joe Biden administration that a tunnel the Canadian company is building for its oil pipeline is exactly what the US president's plan for better infrastructure is all about, while making the crucial piece of infrastructure safer. A court-ordered mediation is scheduled to start on April the 16th. My name is Lisa Barber, and this was this week's edition of Energy News. Wishing everyone a safe week. Back to you, Mark.
Thanks, Lisa. To dive deep into these stories, check out our LinkedIn profile. All the articles will be posted there. This has been your Energy News Update. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, power your purpose.